The new EN 50678 standard requires that some electrical equipment is tested in accordance with the EN 62368/1 standard after repair, and each testing session starts with a visual inspection of the tested equipment. Tick all the boxes if everything is okay and continue to the next phase. Testing continuity of the protective conductor. And after that comes the leakage current testing. First, the PE leakage current is measured in 3 steps at both the normal and reversed mains polarity. The touch leakage current is measured in the same manner, in 3 steps and at the normal and reverse mains polarity. Lastly, the functional inspection is performed to document that the printer is working properly. Testing with the MI3365 OmegaEE XD is easy.